want to give pool players a good name. Sometimes billiard halls have a bad aura.
Not only if you're watching TV shows where they're beating people up. Nothing like that. This is Bison Billiards, right?
Bison Billiards. Derek will explain more real quick about it because I know you guys, this is a beautiful room with a lot of beautiful people who like that things. And it's great to follow chefs and Doyle. People are doing great things here. There's Richard here. Real quick, because my dad had a fire 20 years ago at his tavern, his establishment. The first person to show up there at that location, besides the fireman, Richard Goldstein.
Okay.
So that's the kind of person you have running and helping out here. Great people. Just a few people I gotta thank. Okay.
All right. And your dad didn't owe Richard money or anything.
My dad's 88 now, so he sort of handed out the torch to me and my sister Tina, and his baby sister Judy, my Aunt Judy. So we're trying to carry this torch now for more future jumping and help us down the line. Okay. Real quick, we're not great with the auctions and the raffles. See, a little cheat sheet. Against the players, Kevin Molino donates every year. Him and his beautiful wife donate a check every year. Brad Wesley won our tournament. And out of that winnings, he donated out of his pocket also. And Jerry, we also got Jay Jackson here. He won our junior. He wants to say a few words about kids and this great cause going on here, what he's doing in the future himself. But again, great to listen. I don't understand what
Just 8 ball. You know, who's the 8 ball? That was
it was a 8-ball tournament. Again, Richard, thank you for everything. Telethon gives us gifts to give to all the pool players. So I'll step aside and let Derek and then Jake say a few things. We'll get on the way.
All right,
Thank
go
you.
ahead.
I just wanted to talk about Bison. It's a great place, a family-friendly place where anybody can just come in, hang out for a couple hours, have a good time. There's 30 tables. It's a lot of fun there. It's a great atmosphere. It's not like the old days. I think anybody that can stop by and have a good time.
All right. And, okay, Minnesota fans, right? No.
Bison Billiards, yeah, it's a really good program. I really think there's a lot of people go there. It's really help out people and stuff like that.
A lot of people your age, Bob.
Not really around here. They could go all over the place to find people to play with. There's nobody around here.
Of course, you're not playing for money or anything, right?
No, not really.
No, not really. Really?
Let him brag about a tournament he's going to.
Let's go ahead, go ahead.
We play in Florida. It's called the Monday 4 teams, and everybody on the team, they have like 5 players. And the one that wins from the year before stays, and there's 15 other people. There's only 15 people can qualify for the tournament.
That's great. Best of luck. Best of luck today. Okay, guys.
Coach Tuesday donated $1,000 Tuesday. We had a lot of that. And Q-Tech also donated a piece.
All right, 558-7575 is the number, and ring it. Buzzy the Buffalo, we gotta light it up or smoke it up. All right, let's go back over to the guys over there.
To the guys over there, huh? All right. All right, well, we have Jeff Lucarelli there from Beach